Right, this is the entrance to Ryan's little place. It'll be a bit bumpy, but I'll do my best to keep it steady. Right, we've just got to the view. A wee bit of the old goat fell over there. A bit of snow last night. Right, go on. I'm just on my way to take another load from our other house. That is Kintyre across the way there. This is the view she gets. She walks down, goes down the road. And of course it's springtime, and of course the lambs are out and about. I love the way they do it too. They just put a few ewes and lambs into each field. Your little lambs in there. That's our little house I'm making my way towards. And who's that, I wonder? Kintyre over the way there. Here's the sea. It's right there. Kintyre over the other side. And come round. Then it goes up to the farm. And then you come right round. There's some more of the fields. And there's Ryan's little house. There it is. Isn't that lovely? Yeah. Another wee shot of goat fell. That's not goat fell. That is goat fell. Oh, do that. That's it. There it is. Lovely. Just a little view of looking down towards Brodick. You see down there? There's a creek. Yeah. We're just coming down into Lag. I used to work here when I was 13 and 14. Let's have a look, see, let's just shut it down a bit. There's the old gardens and the barn. I used to do all the gardening there. Lovely. It's Lag for you. Lindsay worked in there as well. We're all the way out now to see. This is us driving down towards Blackwater Foot. That's lovely views. And just one of the loveliest places. side of the road. There we go. Right, there's a wee stopping place right here. So I can stop. You have a better view of it all. Right, there we go. That's Kilpatrick down in there. I used to shear the sheep in there. They're up off the hill, and they are down there, right round. It's the hotel, and everybody down there. So it's just lovely now. All that. Yeah. The hills in the background. Beautiful. The Kinloch. This is the village. Butchers and the wee hardware shop. Oh, there's the water down there. There's some Highland cows down there somewhere. Oh, there they are. Beautiful. A bit of shiskin over the way there, look. Lovely. A couple of ducks, I don't know what kind they are. There's another one there somewhere, but I don't know where it's going. There's some little Highland fellas for you.
Drama and choreography, and it seems to have the effect he wants.
Okay, well let's go to Ed Miliband. He was asked about Labour's economic record.
There's the two girls in their morning tea in the sunshine. Yeah, this is Leslie's house. Kinneal. It's lovely, isn't it? It's her little flat in there. Holy tree. Beautiful, isn't it? That's the view she gets. The old Holy All in behind. Right, it's a wee view where in the, I suppose it's the Cairngorms, isn't it?
That would be the Cairngorms. The Cairngorms have him.
Oh, is it? Well, anyway, this is Christopher and I were heading up to Spian Bridge. We've just come off the M9 or the A9, and we're now heading to Spian Bridge. Just thought you'd see a little bit of a view. Yeah, that's about it. Alright, that's Anne and Christopher out having a look around the garden. I'm a bit worried in case this fella here decides to chase them. He's seemingly got a bit of a habit of having a go at folk. And this is Anne's garden. Lovely as it is. That's them coming along. Oh, he seems to be not worrying too much. Maybe because the dog's there. There you go. Oh, I know. I can see it. I can see it. Yeah, there you go. There's Anne's heron. Yes. He's gone for a wee drink. Washes fish down.
Well, those are the rolls we got yesterday. What do you call that kind of roll then?
That's a croissant.
Croissant.
It's amazing, isn't he? Certainly though.
Yeah, meeting. Oh,
all these other people, and then you go.
That's my head, and about 2 minutes later,
What's your name?
It's amazing, isn't it?
This way. expected to talk to his name. This is a lion.
Now, Les, I'll get you on it. You and Christopher.
Oh, you took. I tried to forget my photograph.
Let's look at him. Smart as you like.
That's him letting me know he's hungry.
Anne's little pet. He's going to be feeding it a fish soon. Yeah. Yes, we had it in the kitchen the other morning, or was it evening? Whatever.
I'll go and get the fish.
Okay.
When is Maggie coming then?
She's here.
Well, I'm going
There
to
you
get
go.
my kids out of the room.
Oh, I was going to give it a fish. How the heck I get it down? I don't know. It's amazing, really, isn't it? It swallows it just like that.
Loads of makeup on.
Yeah, they say you've got to see them first thing in the morning.
Looking at a jewel.
Okay, there's Annie. We're just about to leave. She's just looked after us so well. Thank you, dear.
Thank you for coming.
Just to get a wee picture of all this roundabout. A lovely view, all right. Christopher and I are driving, about half an hour to go before our cup of tea.
What a 19.
His garden, it's beautiful, isn't it? Very nice. Anyway, that's that. We're all gathered together. There's Lynn's, Rex, Lisa. They all went to the rugby of the Army Navy yesterday. Yeah.
Sunshine, so Dad can film us.
Yeah, there we are.
Having been Army Navy yesterday, I want to.
Some are dressed and some are not. It was granted.
He's still in my dressing gown.
Yeah.